CAMS Exam Training Tips 2026 Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist. All you need to know. Question 1. What are the 3 stages of money laundering? Placement, layering, integration. Integration, collection, distribution. Placement, structuring, transfer. Layering, laundering, cleaning. Money laundering involves these 3 distinct phases. Question 2. What is structuring smething? Using shell companies. Breaking large cash amounts into smaller deposits. Wire transfers to offshore accounts. Investing in real estate. Structuring is done to avoid reporting thresholds. Question 3. Which international body sets global AML standards? World Bank, IMF, FATF, United Nations. The Financial Action Task Force, FATF, sets the 40 recommendations. Question 4. What is a politically exposed person PEP? A celebrity, a person with prominent public functions, a convicted felon, a tax evader. PEPs pose higher risks due to potential corruption and bribery. Question 5. What is the primary purpose of a suspicious activity report, SAR? To block all accounts. To report potential illegal activity to regulators. To arrest a customer. To avoid paying taxes. SARs help law enforcement identify criminal patterns. Question 6. Which stage involves making illegal funds look like legitimate business earnings? Placement, layering, integration, structuring. Integration is the final stage where funds enter the economy clean. Question 7. What is enhanced due diligence, ED? Checking a driver's license. Standard KYC procedures. Additional scrutiny for high-risk customers. Asking for a second ID. ED is used for high-risk clients like PEPs or those in high-risk jurisdictions. Question 8. What is the 4th Anti-Money Laundering Directive, 4AMLD, concerned with? U.S. domestic law. EU standardizing AML across member states. Asian banking regulations. Cryptocurrency only. The 4AMLD updated EU AML frameworks. Question 9. Which red flag is common in trade-based money laundering? Over-invoicing or under-invoicing. Paying with a credit card. Using a local bank. Buying generic products. Manipulating invoice values helps move value across borders. Question 10. What does KYC stand for? Keep your cash. Know your customer. Kill your costs. Know your company. KYC is the foundation of AML/CFT compliance programs. Question 11. A shell company is often used in which stage to hide ownership? Placement, layering, integration, discovery. Layering uses complex entities to obscure the audit trail. Question 12. What is UBO in the context of AML? Universal Banking Officer, Ultimate Beneficial Owner, United Banking Organization, Underage Banking Operator. Identifying the UBO is critical to knowing who controls an account. Question 13. Which of these is a high-risk jurisdiction indicator? Member of FATF. On the FATF gray list. High transparency laws. Low corruption index. Being on the gray/black list indicates strategic AML deficiencies. Question 14. What is the Egmont Group? A private security firm, a network of financial intelligence units, FIUs, a group of offshore banks, a law enforcement agency. The Egmont Group facilitates information exchange between FIUs. Question 15. What is the Wolfsburg Group? A division of the UN, an association of global banks for AML standards, a hacking group, a tax haven. The Wolfsburg Group develops industry standards for private banking. Question 16. Under the USA Patriot Act, Section 311 allows for special measures against jurisdictions of concern, immediate arrest of money launderers, lowering taxes for banks, increasing interest rates. It allows the Treasury to designate areas/entities as primary money laundering concerns. Question 17. What is a correspondent banking relationship? Banking between two branches. One bank providing services to another bank. A personal banking account. A bank and a government agency. This relationship can be high risk if the respondent bank's AML is weak. Question 18. What is tipping off? Giving a reward to staff. Informing a customer that a SAR has been filed. Reporting a crime to the police. Using a fake ID. Tipping off is illegal as it alerts the suspect to an investigation. Question 19. Which is an example of an internal audit function in AML? Testing the effectiveness of the AML program. Opening new accounts. Filing SARs daily. Training customers. Internal audits provide independent oversight of the AML framework. Question 20. In the context of AML, sanctions are used to restrict trade with specific countries or individuals, encourage investment, lower bank fees, protect customer privacy. Sanctions are tools of foreign policy and national security.